I'm pretty sure this box is from NuGo Nutrition. They have protein bars, and I am excited because they have a vegan one. Now, they sent me a non-vegan pack a couple weeks ago, and I didn't specify that I was vegan, so I let Chris have those. But he said they were pretty good, and now I have the vegan one, which I'm super excited. So let's open this up. This is their vegan box they sent me. They're all organic, and they also don't use palm oil, which is really great. They have 10 grams of protein. I think they sent me 3 different flavors: the double dark chocolate cherry, and dark chocolate almond. And almond one is, I think, gonna be my favorite. So it says "You deserve this" by NuGo. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's amazing. I'm so excited. I've had these before, and these are actually like so good. So I was very excited when they were gonna send me one. So one thing that they're very big about is making sure you understand the ingredients that are in these, because a lot of brands will use the palm oil instead of actual cocoa butter. This NuGo, they actually use cocoa butter, which is awesome, instead of the palm oil. I haven't had these flavors yet. They have other vegan flavors that I've had before, so these are completely new to me. But let's try this dark chocolate almond. Ooh, kind of looks like it has a little crunch to it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, it looks like a little crunchy. Mmm, that's good. It's got a little crunch inside, like kind of like Cocoa Puffs or whatever they're called. But I highly recommend these. Go check them out. They're super good. Now, back to the video.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a little exciting news. So this vlog is gonna be a little different, not by much. It's really just, you know, more things changing in my life. So I got a great opportunity. I am moving. I just want to keep y'all updated with all of my life and what's happening and everything. But Chris just went out for the summer, go sell. He's selling out in California. I got the opportunity, which I've been trying to do for about 2.5 years now, got into grad school. So that is the exciting news. And let me preface, what I want to do is a little different. A lot of people just apply and get in and go through, take their classes, they're out, they graduate. Mine's a little different because I'm research focused. So I'm going for a thesis. I have to find an advisor who, 1, does research I'm interested in, of course, but 2 and 3, has space in their lab and money to fund me coming for grad school. It finally fell into place, and I guess I'll just kind of say where I'm going. So I got into a master's program in Ventrelli's lab at Ball State University in Muncie, Indiana. Super excited. So it is not marine focused. I'm not too upset about that, mainly because I lack a skill, and the skill going to this lab needed, or being taught kind of and helping me, and the main focus of this lab is data analysis, and that is the one thing that I lack in skill, because I have the field work, I have the research work, I have like most of that other stuff. So this one piece will really make me well-rounded as either future PhD applicant or future just job applications. So that's exciting news. But with that, they want me to come out in May, as in 2 weeks from now, from videoing wise. I've known for a couple weeks now. I was going back and forth between 2 colleges. It's just turned out that this was, I think, in my eyes, better for me. And also, one huge sign, if you don't know me, I went to Trinity Valley Community College. That was my dream school to cheer at. They are Cardinals, or the Cardinals, that's their mascot, and they're red and black. Guess the colors of Ball State University. Red and black. And guess what their mascot is? The Cardinals. So if that wasn't a sign from the beginning, I don't know what is. I just thought it was really cool. I'm going back to my roots. And I am once again a Cardinal. So super exciting. But like I said, I move in 2 weeks. I have to get this entire place packed up. So this vlog, finally getting to this point, is a moving vlog. I am packing all this up since Chris is not here. It is just me. and it's gonna be a lot. We got a moving company, which is great because I can't do that by myself. That's just too much. So all I have to do is really just pick up the boxes, clean up the place, make sure that is all done. Let's get to it. I already ordered some boxes from the moving company. I got 10 medium-sized boxes and 5 small boxes, which I think I definitely will need more. But it was a good starting point, kind of get me started, but I have to make sure I'm packed by this Thursday. It's Sunday, so in like 4 or 5 days, and I just started packing. So currently I have 2 boxes packed. You can see them down on the floor. I'm very excited to at least have started. I'm starting in the kitchen first. Have a nice watch of this time-lapse video. I'm gonna pack up as much as I can this Sunday night, and I will kind of update y'all once I am done with today. So I just came back from the store. I just went to the gym. Well, I went to F45, did class, and then I ran some errands. It's Monday. That's usually the day I go grocery shopping because Sundays are too crazy for me at the store. So I just go Mondays. So I got some groceries, went to Trader Joe's, trying out this vanilla almond spice chai. It's a protein smoothie. It's vegan. Pretty good. I'm pretty sure it's new because I've never seen it before, and I love Trader Joe's. I went to Lowe's also, picked up some more boxes, got some more tape, and got wrapping paper for packing because I have a lot of breakables and I didn't think of that when I started. And I also ran out of tape last time, and I'm pretty positive I'm definitely gonna need more boxes. So I got 10 more. That would equal out to 25, and I think that's gonna be enough, but we'll see. Hopefully it is. Hopefully it's like exact number so I didn't just waste money on boxes. I got a package, and first off, thanks Amazon, because I love Amazon Prime because I literally ordered it this morning, and it is 10:30 a.m. and I think I ordered it at like 7:30 a.m. It's already here. One day, couple hours. It's really surprising. 3 different things I got. I have super sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin like I do, and like break out into rashes because you itch so much and different things like that, definitely check these out. It's a Vanicream brand, and I have the I can't say that. It's the deodorant. It is a block one, and it's white, and I'm not too fond of that, but I know it's better than the ones I always do. Then this is the Gentle Body Wash for sensitive skin by that brand also. I ran out of both of these in the last week, and I have been itching like crazy and have rashes in between my legs, under my armpits, and everything like that. So I was like, no, I can't deal with this anymore, so I got it. And then my last thing I got is my favorite all-time face lotion, which I have been using for, I don't even know how long, like probably since middle school. And it's the Eucerin Redness Relief Night Cream. I use it in the morning or night, just depends when I take a shower. I put it on right after. It really works wonders because I have sensitive skin, but also I have super red skin, so it kind of helps tone it down a little. All those things are linked in my Amazon storefront, so go check those out. Now it is time to get packing once again. I have packed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes so far. Most of it has just been kitchen, but I did like the records and books also. So I will get back to adding to that pile. Day 3 of packing now. I have finished pretty much all the kitchen things. There's a few things I have left that I just kind of looked over and forgot, so I still have a few of those. But I started on the closet, which I'm about to start again. I did all the dresses and pants in one box, and that's all I've done with the closet so far. Finished up the bathrooms pretty much. I need to get the like shower curtain down and stuff. So here is a stack of boxes over here, and then over here have a few more boxes, and then this one is a large box, and it's just staying open when I come across stuff that I can't fit in like the medium size. So I'm just leaving that open and not touching it until I have to. This one I'm about to start building, and then I have the clothing box over here. And that is what I have so far. So I'm about to go back into the closet and start packing up the rest of hang-up clothes. So I think I have finished packing, as in for the truck to come. This is, I think, the 4th day now of packing. Oh my gosh. I had to get more boxes because I ran out again. So I think I'm at a total of about like 30 boxes, and then I have some other like smaller boxes I already had that I have like shoes in. Like for example, that container, that tub, I had some other stuff in. Also, this is Hydro Flask, by the way. I got this specific one in Bali, but if you check out my Amazon storefront, you can get one similar to this. The only reason you know it's Bali is because it has this surfing little guy on it, which is pretty cool. But yeah, and then also these straw things will also be on my Amazon storefront, so check that out. It'll be in the description below. But I just had this screw on top, and I just drink more water when I have a straw. So this was more convenient for me, and I got these off of Amazon. So go check that out. But packing wise, I think I'm done. I have all of it up. I think I'm just gonna organize now. So that's the plan. I'll bring you along a little longer until the moving guy is here and we move everything out. Give you a little tour of what's left. What there won't be much, but that is the plan. I just organized everything into this room. I am officially done. We have like a suitcase, this is like the little knick-knack stuff, but then all of this is the boxes that I've packed. And then back there we have the toolbox, a Christmas tree box with a Christmas tree in it, and 2 paddle boards. That's where we're at right now. The rest of the stuff that's just like laying around is stuff I'm bringing in my car. We're doing good. I'll probably update y'all once the moving company comes this weekend. So it'll be a couple of days, so we'll see you in a little. The day has finally come, guys. It's Sunday and the moving company is coming today. Hopefully this morning. They said 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And I don't know if that means that's when the time frame that they might arrive in, or if that's the time frame they'll be moving, like the whole time from today. Hopefully it's like get here at 9 and be done by 1. That's my goal. Okay, it's official. Everything is out of the apartment. It is crazy, it is bare. I'm literally sitting on the floor and it echoes so much in here. But the moving company came, kind of give y'all a little what happened, what we did. We use Safeway Moving Company and they're pretty good. I would say we've had good experience with them and everything. The only thing is when you do the inventory list of what they're coming to pick up, the people who call you and do it over the phone don't really, I would say, do it correctly. For example, like I said, I'm gonna have like a fire pit area, and that somehow didn't get on there. And I remember specifically talking about like what we would list it as. I said that we have kind of like a love seat couch, but it's extended at the feet, so it's a little larger than one. They just put love seat couch, and so they came and they were like, that's a little more than we expected. Told them about the bed frame and everything, and had some issues there where they never even put that, so I had to update that on the list later. A few little other things. So it definitely went up in price, and if I didn't take some things off, and hopefully it all fits in my car, if I didn't take those things off and update the list like 2 days before, it would have went up about $1,500 from the original price we started at, which I guess might not be a lot. I don't really know, I don't deal with moving companies much, but it was more than expected. Took that off though, so it did only go up about $800 from original price, which is a little better, but yeah, that's the only problem we had. Moving, great. They came in here, wrapped up everything that needed to be wrapped up, loaded it all up. I didn't have to do anything, which is weird. I literally sat up on the countertop for like an hour and a half just waiting, because I was like, do y'all need any help? They're like, no. I was like, okay. So I just sat there, played on my phone for a little. That was kind of the experience. They packed up, they did it all, but now I have literally nothing in this apartment. Other stuff I'm gonna bring in the car, but other than that, literally nothing. I'll give you a little walkthrough of the place. So right now I'm in the living room slash kitchen slash everything. So you can see everything is bare. That's where the TV was. And there's a Coco. That's just my toolbox that I'm keeping and bringing in the car. We have nothing out on the balcony anymore except the propane tank. I need to bring them back. So up here is blank as can be. The office area, it's completely bare, nothing in here. This is where the boxes were at. Then this is the bedroom. Once again, nothing. I get to sleep on the floor for this week. Isn't that great? I'm gonna bring y'all along with that in a different vlog. And then this is like all the stuff I'm bringing. So most of the stuff is just thrown in here for right now while everything was being moved. I have a decently sized car, so I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this little packing up and getting myself kind of ready to move to a different state. I'm super excited, a little nervous, but I have 5 more days here. So look forward to the next vlog. I'm gonna be doing kind of a last week in Arizona vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.